Namaste, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It's Tuesday morning, December 10, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. The stock market highlights from Monday, December 9, 2024. Sensex and Nifty traded in a narrow range and ended lower on December 9 as investors await two key economic data points scheduled for release later this week. One, US consumer price inflation CPI data on December 11 and India's CPI data on December 12. The US Federal Open Market Committee's decision on interest rate due on December 18 is also awaited. Benchmark equity indices BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty 50 ended the week's first trading session on a lower note on Monday. The 30-share Sensex shed 200 points or quarter percent to settle at 81,500. Similarly, on the NSE, Nifty 50 settled at 24,619, down 59 points or 0.24% from its previous close on Monday. 30 out of the 50 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 ended in the red, dragged by Tata Consumers, Hindustan Unilever, Tata Motors, Asian Paints, and Nestle India with losses. Conversely, Wipro, Larsen and Toubro, SBI Life, BPCL, and Tata Steel were among the 10 that ended with gains. Tata Consultancy Services (TCS) was notably the only stock among the Nifty constituents that ended on a flat note on Monday. FMCG stocks were the worst hit among the sectoral markets, with the Nifty FMCG index ending lower by 2.22%, dragged by Godrej Properties, Tata Consumer, and Marico. Consumer stocks remained in focus throughout the session, weighed down by Godrej Consumer's weak sales forecast for the December quarter. Godrej Consumer shares plunged more than 9%. The company anticipated mid-digit sales growth for Q3, citing subdued demand conditions over the past few months. The Nifty Auto Index shed 0.8% after November's retail figures revealed a year-on-year decline in passenger and commercial vehicle sales. Hyundai Motor, Tata Motors slipped nearly 2%, and Maruti Suzuki and Mahindra were down 0.5% and 0.7% respectively. Pharma and healthcare stocks also faced selling pressure, with the Nifty Pharma and Nifty Healthcare indices declining 0.5% each. The exclusion of the US Biosecure Act from a key defense bill, seen as a win for Chinese biotech firms, negatively impacted Indian Contract Development and Manufacturing Organization (CDMO) and Contract Research Organization (CRO) players. Shares of Newland Laboratories, Loris Labs, Divis Laboratories, Piramal Pharma, and Syngene fell. Shares of Indian textile exporters, including Gokul Das Exports, Trident, and Wellspun Living, surged 5 to 10% as financial and administrative challenges faced by Bangladesh's garment industry fueled expectations of manufacturing orders shifting to India. In the construction sector, Larsen and Toubro rose 2% after a favorable tribunal ruling set aside a tax demand of rupees 702 crores, that is about $83 million. Seat shares surged nearly 8% after the company signed a definitive agreement with the Michelin Group to acquire the Camso brand. Notably, Nifty Financial Services, IT, Metal, Realty, and Consumer Durable indices managed to eke out some gains on Monday. Bank Nifty ended lower by 101 points or 0.19% at 53,407. Broader markets outperformed the benchmarks. Among the broader market, Nifty Mid Cap 100 and Nifty Small Cap 100 indices ended higher by 0.50% and 0.19% respectively. In the US overnight, Wall Street's main indexes closed lower on Monday as investors looked ahead to a crucial inflation report set for later this week. All three major indexes fell, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropping 240 points, or nearly half a percent, to 44,401. The S&P 500 lost 37 points to 6,052, and the Nasdaq Composite gave up 0.62% to 19,736. Brent crude is trading around $71.90 a barrel. Gold is around 77,570 per 10 grams. Silver is rupees 95,010 per kilogram. Now for today's outlook for the Indian market. With the gravestone doji candlestick pattern, the index has witnessed a much needed pullback. The undertone of the market is bullish, and the rally towards 25,400 will continue, with the downside being protected at 24,540, while the immediate hurdle is placed at 24,850. Dips towards support zones of 24,550 to 24,500 should be considered as a buying opportunity. Stocks on radar today: Tata Motors, Syngene, Metropolis, Bharat Electronics, Lupin, Isjek Heavy, Suraksha Diagnostics, GV Vernova, Tiger Logistics India, NHPC, Vodafone Idea, Bharat Forge, Railtel Corporation of India, Lemon Tree Hotels, LGP Forge, Datamatics Global Services, PG Electroplast, Torrent Power, and JSW Steel will be in focus on December 10 today. That's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.